Well, good afternoon, folks. It's overcast, cool, kind of wet day here. What have I been up to? 1 second. There you go. Yeah, not really a heck of a lot. Work's starting to slow down now. And just doing little repairs on my truck. For one, I have to replace a passenger rear upper shock mount on my 79 Ford. You can't buy them anymore. Ford deleted them. I tried Ford. I tried a lot of the parts stores. So I have to order one. So with shipping and everything like that. The last one I bought was about, 5 years ago or more. And it was $60. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go buy one of those credit cards that you just go from the store, put $100 on it, and then go order it. That way someone gets your credit card number. You're only out $10, with whatever's left on the card. But yeah, I've got to get that because I got no rear shock in the passenger side rear, like I just said. And another thing I discovered, my truck has a heavy-duty sway bar in the ass end. And it has a heavier one now because I took the one that was in my two-tone brown one, which was a Camper Special, and it had a real heavy one. It had almost, a 3/4 inch rear sway bar. And the original one was a little bit less, but here, I'll show you what happened. This, 1 sec. Okay, anyhow, this is, sorry about that, folks, got interrupted. This is the rear sway bar link. It sits like this in the truck. This mounts to the frame. There was a rubber bushing in there that I took out, and this is where it broke. I didn't know it broke until I got home one day and I found the bottom end of this, where the rubber is, sitting on the curb. So it couldn't have broke too long ago. But anyhow, I had another sway bar with 2 links in them, but of course they were rusted. And when I went to undo this end here, it just snapped. I mean, I heated the piss out of it. Part of my language. Sprayed it with WD-40, then heated it again, sprayed it again. I tried cooling it. I couldn't get it off, so it just broke. And I was thinking, damn, where am I going to find one from? And then luckily, I just happened to be in here and everything like that, looking around here, and I had one hanging in all these little parts, Ford parts. And this is it, right here. See, yeah, you can see that. That's the piece that broke off down in there. And I just painted it up and everything like that. But now, these bushings here are old and everything like that, and these are the ones that came out of it. I had another set of these in a little box that these came with, because I only needed one, but they come with both sets. So I don't know what happened to it. I think maybe I threw it away, not thinking that I ever needed it again. But these were exactly what I had in them. So what's going to happen is I'm going to put these in, and then I'm going to find the little box. I mean, I've looked all over this place for it, and I can't find it at all. So I don't know what happened to it. But anyhow, I got these out. They're good. As you can see, there's nothing really wrong with them. They're just dirty. So I'll just clean them all up, put a bit of grease on them, or whatever, keep them squeaking. But they never squeaked. And then I'll put them back into this one here. All I gotta do is take that one out. So the best way to get that out is to cook it, heat it right up, and punch it out. Then I gotta repaint it because it's gonna get all marked up. But anyhow, so that's what I've been up to. Not too much. Just anything else? I can't really think of anything. What else? No. Just doing little things around the yard. And So when I got the other bushings in and everything like that, I'll bring you back. Like I said, it's really exciting news, Like, wow, just grab the arm of your armchair. Just can't wait till the next episode. Okay, everybody. Well, hope everybody's project's going well. Hope the weather's good where you are. I know a lot of you are starting to get snow now. Yeah, we haven't seen anything. Somebody said a few days ago that they saw a few flakes coming down early in the morning, but I don't know. They might have been dreaming it. But anyhow, like I said, I'll get back to you guys, okay? So like I said, everyone, hope your projects are well and your family's good. Like I always say, tell your family you love them, take them out for dinner, take them down to the beach. Just have a great time with them, okay? Okay, till later, everyone, peace out and build on. Talk to you then. Bye. This is how you take out them damn bushings. I tried punching them out and everything before, but hell, just burn the suckers out. Best way to do it. Talk to you later. Bye. Now look at that. The bushings are made in the USA. Huh. Cool. Hopefully more stuff will be made in the USA now. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Oh yeah, and by the way, all I did was take some of that silicone spray there, and then just give them a quick spray down, put them in, and then this little bugger here gets pushed into the bushing, and done. Okay, bring you back when I part the Red Sea, okay? Okay, bring you back then. Bye. Okay, folks, there it is all back together again. Goes back together really easy. That little metal bushing in the center just slides right in. No resistance, no nothing. So yeah, so all I gotta do now is wait till I get the rubber mounts. I have one of them, of course. Can't remember where I put it, and that was only 3 days ago. But I haven't got the upper one, the one that goes right here. So yeah, so no big deal. So I'll get that in, and then I gotta order the upper shock mount. So yeah, fun. Always something to do. Like I say, the builds never end. Just something that makes you go, wonder if I should do that to it. Okay, everybody. Well, yeah, here. There it is again. My build. And for those of you who don't know it, it's a 79 Ford F250. I had it since new. There's been a few things, you know, changed and everything like that, like the other box rotted out and everything like that. Well, the corner, the passenger corner on the box down below, if I known what I know now about doing repair work, I could have fixed it. But yeah, if I known then what I know now, yeah, right. Okay, well, so I just thought I'd show you that. So everybody, like I say, take care. And like I said, treat your family. Take them out to dinner or something like that. You know, take them to a good show. Whatever. Okay, everybody? So take care. Peace out and build on. Talk to you later. Bye.